Welcome guys to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave, and it's a Friday. It's a Friday, at least for me, and I wanted to come out with this video for you guys. So what are we going to do in this video? We're going to see exactly the three elements. If you want to make $100 to $300 per day, we're going to see the exact three things that you need, okay, in order for you to generate that kind of income. Now, let me just give you an income disclaimer right here. The results that I'm going to talk about are not typical, and the work that you need to put in is real. Okay, so if this is you who just looking for a quick buck, then $100 a day to $300 a day as a side hustle is not possible for you, then go away from this video, stop watching this video right now. However, if you are looking for something that actually can be passively rewarding, why do I say passively rewarding? It takes time to build, but once you do build it, it's rewarding as anything. So what are you ready for? That's my question, okay? What are you ready for? So we're gonna see the exact three things that in any business, no matter what you're doing, these are good things to have. Now, there's gonna be a generalized approach, but if you wanna know exactly what we're doing, how the strategy works, I am gonna lay it out for you in this video, but you can work with me personally, and I can show you how to duplicate the same efforts that I have. But honestly, guys, I work with people who I can inspire and actually give you the opportunity to do it yourself, okay? It's great that you have people out there who do the sales for you and everything else. But I want to teach you in the end the method so you can go ahead and actually do it yourself, okay? So for all of the guys in my team, this is a video for you guys. If you're watching this on my list, this is a video for you as well. But right now, I want to specifically talk to those people who are serious enough, okay? So if you're interested in what I have to offer, subscribe below and you will get more content and notifications by clicking on the bell notification button there, and you'll get the videos that I put out on a daily basis. So who am I and why am I talking about this? So I started online in 2011 and I failed miserably, guys, okay? I failed miserably because I did not have the right mindset. I didn't have the right mindset to realize that it does take consistency. I was doing the lazy method. I was doing something that maybe you are thinking of doing. You're frustrated with your job. You don't want to go into a corporate structure. Something is bothering you inside, right? You don't know what to do. So you look towards the internet to get some kind of results. Now, I was in that situation. I tried my best, and I was focused on one thing and one thing alone. Okay, the lazy method. Okay, posting in groups, looking for shiny ball after shiny ball, not really putting the effort and learning the strategies that I need. Okay, so I failed and I learned from my mistakes. That has generated me, last year itself, I was able to get multiple streams of income in place for myself and generating me an income every single month. Okay, I made some bad decisions in the last 4 years, definitely. I don't disagree with that, but it's all a learning experience for me, okay? The decisions I make are still my own. I'm not going to blame a company. I'm not going to blame anybody for it, okay? Because this is my choice and my decisions in what I'm going to do. I would definitely take more effort in building my online business than doing anything else at this point of time, because it's an asset for you, actually. And if you know what Robert Kiyosaki says, an asset puts money into your pocket. So if you're ready for that, you have to be in the right mindset to have the patience and consistency for it. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen right now, and we're going to talk about the 4 elements that I see that are crucial to get $100 to $300 per day. You're watching this video for that. I know that you want it. Like I said, it takes consistency, guys. So let's share my screen, and I want to go and actually show you a diagram that I was doing recently for you guys to see what it is. Okay, so let me just make my screen a bit bigger. Let's just do that. Okay. So I'm still on the video, guys. Hopefully everyone can see me clearly. And let's go ahead and actually show you what it is. So now, there are a few things that you need in a business, okay? I'm going to name them for you. One is you need to have a product or system. Okay, sorry, product. Why do you need a product? Okay, you need a product so that you can sell something. Without a product or service, it gets nowhere, okay? You get nowhere. If you don't have a high income skill, it is a service that you can provide. Okay, you are teaching somebody a free course, it's still a service that you can provide. That in turn, if you're selling something with that course, or you're giving a membership, or whatever it is then a service that you're providing. So in everything that we do, there is a product or service that is needed. It can be I focus on educational products, okay? But it can be whatever you feel, whether it's your own courses, whether it's an e-commerce store, you're still selling products, okay? So that's one of the things, an effective converting product. Do you have it? Ask yourself this question, do you have it? It's something that I did not have in the beginning. I had something that I thought was good and I didn't really pay attention to it. Now, guys, I've been doing this for a while, but it has taken me time to get to where I am. Okay, it's taken me time and effort, and literally the one word that I've written here in green, consistency, to actually be able to build a following, build a subscriber list. And there's one thing that you need to do no matter what, okay? No matter what, even if you don't have a product or service right now, okay? You need to start building your following. We're in the information age, guys. But I know for a fact that's even working in the corporate world, to see how it is always focused on building a following. You can have sales, but you should always be focused on building a following. So no matter what you're doing, if you think that you cannot do YouTube videos, find a way to do it. Okay, if you don't want to do YouTube videos, be consistent on Facebook or Instagram. Choose a platform that you can actually go out there and promote yourself and build your brand. Okay, branding yourself is a new concept in the world. Okay, a generation before me will not understand exactly what it is as your brand, but it's so important. It's so important. So product or service is a way to leverage your brand. You're always building a brand, but a product or service comes under that. Okay, then the second most important thing, and I think that it is the most important thing, is to have a system, the perfect system, the right system for you that converts. But what is this system that we're talking about, right? Well, the system needs to have two elements, okay? It needs to be able to, firstly, sell the product or service. Okay, so let me give you an example of a famous online marketer and entrepreneur itself, Russell Brunson. If you don't know who he is, go and Google him or YouTube it, and you'll see his channel as well. The advice that he gives, and what I would recommend anybody, is to be upfront with what you're doing, why you're doing it, and how you're doing it, but always through a system process. Okay, that way you can leverage your time and effort, because the best salesperson alive for your product or service is you. If I'm passionate about online marketing, which I am, you believe me, because I'm the best salesperson for me. I can talk about my product. I can be so adamant on consistency rather than just saying, oh, you're going to make a quick 100 to 300 bucks per day. It is possible as long as you have the right product, you have the right system that converts your product, so you sell that for you, okay? And the second thing that the system has, if it's even better, okay, it allows you to scale your product, which means you can also add an income stream, and you can also scale it to many other products and services with that same system. So it has to have a leverage aspect to it, okay? These are two things that I look for personally in my system, okay? And that's why I built the Pro system for you guys and myself. So I promote the Pro system, which is purely my system, okay? I built that system on the tools that I use. So in the system, it includes mainly 2 to 3 tools that are very important. One is a way to build a system. 2 is a way to market and always have a Rolodex of people who you can talk to, okay? And 3, you need to track your results. So that includes the system. If you have these, if you have this, where you can place your product, talk about it, okay? Sell it, sell yourself, sell the product, and then it goes to the product page. That's the system as a whole. Okay, very important to have a system. Second thing, and the last and final thing, as you can see on the board right here, is traffic. Now, traffic is just eyeballs to your offer. Without traffic, you can't really do anything. Without advertising, you can't really do anything. So what I teach in my strategy is to have an advertising budget. You focus on having that advertising budget, and that don't compromise that. Okay, don't compromise that at all. That advertising budget can increase as you go along, but at least you have it to create consistency. Sorry, guys. Okay, so that's something that for me is crucial. If you want to know what my traffic sources are, you should actually subscribe to the channel, because on my channel itself, I have a ton of videos that I've already put out on the exact traffic sources that I personally use. In fact, there's a playlist as well, which you can access if you are a subscriber to this channel or even not. And you can check out the traffic sources that I'm using. I'm pretty open with it, okay? Yeah, don't regret not sending traffic. Now, traffic is a mixture of free and paid traffic. Okay, free and paid traffic is a video like this could bring me free traffic. Okay, which is a slower. You build your audience, you get more traffic, and you're not spending money on it. You're spending your time and effort and consistency. Okay, paid traffic boosts that up, and you should always have a balance between paid and free. So no matter what, I always say automation is great, but it's never complete. Automation is great, but it's never complete, because you need to put yourself out there and have that consistency. So in my case, guys, the products that I sell personally in my funnel is Easy One Up, FutureNet as one marketing and passive stream of income. Okay. And in the wealth management side, or the wealth growth side, I have iCoin Pro, which teaches you a high income skill like trading. And it, as you can see, the educational products, they're digital educational products that I sell. Okay. Through my system, okay, which is built on Online Sales Pro, if you want to know. Okay, it's built on Online Sales Pro. In fact, if you want to see what Online Sales Pro, there is a link in the description. You can check out what is Online Sales Pro right there. Okay, and the traffic sources. So what I do is I put in some money over here, right, on the traffic side. Once the system is built, I put in some money on the traffic side. That goes to my system. Okay, from the system, it promotes this and promotes this. Those who are interested in this side of the section, they get the products. Okay, those who are on this side, they get the products. Now from here, a percentage of the sale, to be exact, I put 30% of the sale that I make. Okay, 30% of my sale in this, in Easy One Up, okay, and FutureNet, they go to traffic, and the process begins itself. The same thing happens with iCoin Pro. The moment I make a sale, it goes to traffic. Okay, so that way the system works, as you can see, for me, going up and down. Now, I do this week after week, guys. I buy traffic, and in fact, on this, I did okay, and my Google Assistant woke up. I do buy traffic, and in fact, on this channel, you can see me withdrawing every single week from FutureNet and FutureNet Pro every single Sunday, and I do put that money into.
Sorry, something's gone wrong. Please try that again.
As you can see, my Google is on, so let's just switch that off and continue this video, guys. This is the reality. Okay, I love coming out and doing these videos. I make time for it, and I think that is honest that you see also the reality of the things. Nothing's going to stop you if you have the power and the desire and the drive to actually go for what you have and dream about. Okay, Gary Vaynerchuk always preaches this. You don't need to listen to anybody but yourself. Okay, if you believe in that, you're going to get it done. So this is something that I use as a system, as a strategy that keeps the machine rolling. Okay, and that's why it's so important to have consistency. Okay. Week after week is better than once a month. Okay, it's better than once a month. If I don't have a high converting system, it's worse to do it once a month, because that means nothing's going to convert and you're going to waste your money on traffic, right? But if you do it consistently, you can tweak, twist, turn, and actually grow into a hardcore sales machine that you have in place, that all you're doing is making videos like this and pumping traffic and actually talking to the people who you get into the products. Okay, so you sell a product, and now this whole method, this whole strategy can be used in an offline space, can be used in an online space. But even, for example, McDonald's have the same amount of strategy as per this one you see on the screen right now. McDonald's has funded proposal where they make sales, they put money into advertising, people come to their shop, people come to McDonald's franchise. It is a system. The McDonald's franchise is a system. Okay, they get people through the system that sells the product, and it works again and again and again. You will never see a McDonald's compromise on advertising. You will never see a McDonald's or a KFC or any franchise business compromise on advertising, because they see the value in it. Okay, they see the value in it. So hopefully you get and understand the three strategies right here. If you are personally interested in knowing more on how I do things, or actually follow up with me and check out the consistency of this video, okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. It will take you to this page right here, and this is my main website, which I send everybody to, and I follow up with them and actually have a one-to-one call. I can actually be with you and guide you through the whole process. But like I said, at the end of the day, I want to empower you to build that bridge. Okay, you're here and you need to build that bridge, and you're building that bridge for yourself. Okay, I'm giving you the tools and the strategy and the method. Okay, and even the products. Okay, you could get the products. These are instant commissions, for example, with Easy One Up, and these are also good commissions right here. This system itself has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 income streams in itself. Okay, and I'm not counting the traffic sources. I'm counting 2 income streams here, 1 right here, 1 right here. So that's 2, 3, 4. And then in my system, I have 2 income streams. So 6 income streams just in one system. And all I'm doing is sending people here. 30% of it goes to traffic. The rest is 40% I put in my pocket, and the other 30% I divide between charity, building up or investing in myself, okay, and wealth management. These 3 things. So invest in myself, invest in my future, and give to charity. Invest in others. Does that sound like something you can resonate with? Okay. I'm not just doing these videos for everyone just like that. Okay. I definitely love creating these videos, and the content that I put out is going to be consistent. But if you notice something in any video that you watch, you will see this structure right here. I purposely, and I do it in every single video that I have with this content. Okay, it comes out in every single video because I need to let it enter your head that the strategy works. Okay, the more I do it, I believe in it, and it works even further. Okay, hopefully you got the mindset that you needed on this Friday. I'm pumped because today I have another traffic order going out, and I'm excited about it, and I really, really hope that everything goes well. I know it will because I built the system myself. So if you're interested to work with me personally, links are in the description. Hit the subscribe button, and let's get started to looking forward to working with you. If you do this consistently, okay, the reason that you can make $100 per day, specifically with Easy One Up, you have 100% commissions right up to $1,000. So if you have even just a second product, which is a $100 sale, you can make 1 sale per day and make $100 per day. How would you like to do that? That's it for me. I'm going to see you in the next video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave, and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true, because I know I am, and I know you can do it too.